Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install FocusMe in your computer in a very simple way. How you can simply download it. So FocusMe, it blocks distracting websites and apps during your work sessions. So if you click on this in of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for FocusMe. Download. Click on this FocusMe for Windows. Click on get the latest version. Close it. And here's the download option. Click on the download. Click on download. And as you can see, the FocusMe is rightly downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission. Click next. I agree. Install. And as you can see, the installation is beginning. And after completing that, you can simply see your FocusMe is rightly open in your computer. So right now you can simply set it. If you want to know how you can simply use it, you can simply comment below. I'm going to create another video to show you how you can simply use that. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.